Barakatha Yahweh, Barakatha Yahweh Shah, Barakatha Yahweh, Barakatha Yahweh Shah, Ba Hashem, Rakakodash. The honors to the apostles, the elders, salutations to you, sincere brothers, teaching in truth and sincerity. Lesson will be entitled Lighting Strikes Moon on Camera. Lord will, you are edified. This video was submitted to me from Elder Yakal of Arkansas. And this platform where he sent this information from, GMS News a Month, okay?
What? What? What was that? You guys. What? What?
So, lightning strikes the moon. Now, we are in Job 9:24. The earth is given into the hand of the wicked. Now, the wicked are the Edomites, hence Malachi 1:4. He covers the faces of the judges thereof. If not, where and who is he? Now let's go to Revelation or Salakia. Romans 13 and verse 1. Let every soul or spirit be subject unto the higher powers. The higher powers are the wicked, the nobility of Edom, hence the international bankers, 13 Edomite families. For there is no power but of the Most High. So their time to rule came from Yahweh through Yahushua. The powers that be are ordained of the Most High. So again, we are in the rulership of the wicked, and the wicked are the Edomites, so-called white people based on the lineage of their fathers. Keep this in mind.
What? What?
Lightning striking the moon is symbolic of Esau's rulership being destroyed. In the scriptures, moon is symbolic for understanding. Okay, let's go to Revelation chapter 12. And there appeared a great wonder in heaven, a woman clothed with the sun. Now, this woman is symbolic for the nation of Israel, all 12 tribes, clothed with the sun. Now, sun is what? Symbolic for wisdom. And the moon under her feet. Moon is symbolic for understanding. Okay, so through the laws, statutes, and the commandments, we get our wisdom and understanding from Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shah, right? And on her head a crown of 12 stars, which further proves that this woman is symbolic for the nation of Israel. Now, the point is, and the moon under her feet. So again, according to Deuteronomy 4 and 5, behold, I have taught you statutes and judgments, even as Yahweh, my power, commanded me. Now, at this time frame, Moses was the mediator, that you should do so in the land whither you go to possess it. Keep therefore and do them, for this is your wisdom, hence, right, the sun, and your understanding, hence the moon, in the sight of the nations. Now remember, according to Revelation chapter 12, and there appeared a great wonder in heaven. This great wonder in heaven is referring to the nation of Israel, right? Back into Deuteronomy 4 and 6. In the sight of the nations, which shall hear all these statutes and say, surely this great nation is a wise and understanding people. Going back to Revelation 12 and 1, and there appeared a great wonder in heaven. Okay, so keep this in mind, right? So when it comes to the wicked, right?
What?
When it comes to the wicked, Job 18 and 5. Yea, the light of the wicked, meaning what? Their doctrine, okay? Their wisdom, their understanding shall be put out by who? Yahushua, right? By Yahushua. Let's go to Revelation chapter 6 and verse 1. And I saw when the Lamb, which is another title for Yahushua, opened one of the seals, and I heard as it were the noise of thunder, one of the four beasts saying, come and see. And I saw and behold a white horse, a chariot, right, which is an identified flying object, and he that sat on him had a bow, and a crown was given unto him, and he went forth conquering and to conquer, going into the destruction of Esau's rulership, right? So again, Job 18 and 5, yea, the light of the wicked shall be put out, and the spark of his fire shall not shine, because the Most High is going to give Yahushua the green light to conquer Esau, and by default, what will happen? Okay, the destruction of his rulership, right? And we also can equate, right? Again,
What?
Yahushua is being this lightning, okay? So to prove that, let's go to Matthew chapter 24 and verse 27. And this is Yahushua speaking. For as the lightning come out of the east and shine even unto the west, so shall also the coming of the Son of Man be, which is another title for Yahushua. So again, this miraculous sign, okay, in heaven shows forth what? That Yahushua is coming. I think it's Jeremiah chapter 2 and verse 21. Or Salakia. Jeremiah 2 and 31. The sun shall be turned into, well, you know what? Jeremiah 2 and 30. And I will show wonders in the heavens and in the earth. So lightning striking the moon is an example of a wonder in heaven, okay? And in the earth, blood and fire and pillars of smoke, and also the lightning striking the moon. The sun shall be turned into darkness and the moon into blood before the great and the terrible day of the Lord Yahweh comes. So again, lightning striking the moon supports what? That Yahushua is coming back soon. Lord, will you were edified. Shalom.